Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use timelines feature in money.com. So here, as you can see, I am in products board in my money.com account, and you can open any board in which you want to use timeline. Then what you have to do is you have to press this button to add a new column, and here you search for timeline. You get this option, click on it, and the timeline has been added. I have a timeline, so I'm going to delete one of them. That's perfect. And so what this timeline is going to do is basically the timeline allows you to select two dates so you can keep track of your things. For example, let's say you have a project and you want to assign 1 month to that project, but you want to know how many days are remaining for that project. So what you can do is you can simply create a timeline. Let's say I have product 1 here, and let's say I have 1 month to finish this working on this project or this product. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press on set dates, and here I select for June and I select for July, or let me select 20 June to 20 July. That is perfect. So basically here you can select any dates you like, and once you're done, what it's gonna do is it is going to show that dates in the timeline. So in timeline for product 1, I have I started this project on June 12th, and I'm gonna finish this project before July 11th. So this way I can keep track of my progress and how many days I have left for this project. Now if I hover my mouse cursor over it, it will tell me exactly how many days are remaining. So as you can see, as I hover my mouse cursor over it, it tells me that I have 30 days remaining. And that is basically in this way you can keep track of your tasks, you can manage your projects, you can assign different timelines to your projects. For example, if one project you need to cover it in 2 months, you can select that timeline and you can constantly see how many days are left to cover that project. So this is basically how, why timeline is used in money.com to just keep track of your things. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.